This is the Btec Tech Award in Enterprise. We're looking at component 3, the examined one, and today we're looking at business documents. The first document to consider is the purchase order. The purpose of the purchase order is to identify the goods ordered from a supplier. So basically, I want some goods from a supplier, I fill them in on a piece of paper, I give them to the supplier sends me the goods, job done. That is a purchase order. It is really important that all parts of the purchase order are completed accurately. This is because we want the right goods. We don't talk to them, they get this piece of paper. We want the right goods. We assume we've got the price right. All of these different things must be on our purchase order. And we're going to look now at a purchase order and what goes on it. So this is a purchase order. So firstly, right at the top, it must have the title purchase order, so everyone who sees it and looks at it know what's on this piece of paper. Seems obvious, but we could forget it. The second thing we're going to have on is each order must have its own unique number. So when someone phones up and says, oh, I'm talking about order 325, we can look and find order 325, rather than saying, oh, it's the one for the garden chairs, and then having to look through loads and loads and loads. It's just a really easy way of keeping track of what we've ordered. The next thing we need is the date. Now, all documents need to be dated. It's to confirm when it was sent. We also are going to put the name and address of the business which is ordering, so they know where to send it and who to invoice. And normally you'd use the logo of the business and you'd have that saved on your blank ones, just like I have here. We then need to put the details of the products, how many, so the quantity, so I would like 5 of an item, what it is, the description, so say it is a green garden chair. However, very importantly, we need to put the item code on. All products have a code, so if I say green garden chair, they may have 5 or 6 green garden chairs, and the item code will pinpoint which one it is. Also, how much each one is, so say it was £10 per chair, and then we'd multiply the unit price by the quantity ordered, and that would give our total price. So if it's £10 per chair, I ordered 5, the total would be £50. Now, don't forget, we must write on who we're placing the order with as well. So at the bottom, we've put all our items together and we've got our total prices, and we total them up with the goods total. Now, in business, you quite often get a discount. So if you've got a discount, you would apply it then. So perhaps we may be able to take 10% off our goods total. So we'd put how much the discount was here, and then we would subtotal it there. The next step is we need to add value added tax, VAT, and this is 20%. This 20% is given to the government. So we would add 20% onto the subtotal to give us a total to pay. And that is a purchase order.